Well, hello everyone. So this is going to be a quick video, and I'm going to do another video after this to explain something else. But this video is going to be about a news article that I was asked to do with Blasted News. And if you all follow me on my Instagram page, a lot of you do follow me on Instagram. You saw the link to the article, and some of you have read the article. I read it, but I know a lot of you on YouTube don't follow me on Instagram. So I decided to do a video here as well. So I'm going to put the link in the info box so you can go over and check out that article. Please go over and read it and check it out and let me know what you think about the article. So yeah, so that is basically it for this video. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.
Gotta read it.